With this device, we will be able to connect up to 24 video surveillance cameras to our Wi-Fi network and build the system according to our needs. We can choose from more than 50 different camera models, starting at about 40 euros to create a customized video surveillance system. We don't need to buy right away systems with 4, 8 or 16 cameras, which is what we see on conventional systems. We can buy exactly what we require at the moment that we need and according to our budget. It works like a normal NVR with automatic recordings, but the camera don't need to connect directly to it. They connect to our Wi-Fi network, which means that we don't have any coverage limitation. There are two models available. This is the Reolink Hub Pro, but there's also a smaller version, more affordable one. I will leave links down below. The Reolink Hub Pro, which is the one that I've got here, comes with a 2 terabyte hard drive for storing all our camera recordings, and if we need, we can upgrade it up to 16 terabytes. In addition to the hard drive slot, it also features an HDMI port that we can connect to a monitor or TV, where we can configure how we want to view the cameras and also access other options. There are 2 USB ports for transferring files and connecting peripherals, and as always, we have the ability to use the app to control all the cameras. It works with almost every camera that Reolink has, and this is great for those that already have some cameras from Reolink and that now have an opportunity to centralize everything. Now, I do have one 6-year-old camera, a Argus PT first generation, which is in my backyard working great, and that one is not with a green flag for the compatibility list, but it's also not with a red flag. So I'm waiting to see if Reolink makes that camera available as well, and that would be great to add here to the Reolink Hub Pro. I will leave a link down below for the compatibility list so that you can check out if the camera that you own is compatible already with the Reolink Pro or not. But besides having all these great features, the one that I was really curious to test out, and I already did, is that I'm not limited to the Wi-Fi signal or coverage that the NVR has to connect my cameras, which is what happens on conventional systems. At this moment, I can place the cameras wherever I want in my house, and I can place the NVR on any corner, even without Wi-Fi coverage, because any camera that I have, I just need to connect to my own Wi-Fi network and the NVR will find it. Now, I already tested out with 2 of the cameras that I've got, and each one of those cameras are connected to different access points in my house, which was other question that I did had, and it did pass, and this flexibility is simply amazing. So if you have a large space like I do right over here, and I want to place a camera here and a camera there, I just need to have Wi-Fi coverage, and I don't need to worry where I place the NVR as long as it's inside my network. And for those that already are using cameras from Reolink and managing on the app individually, the big difference here is that instead of recording the footage on each individual camera on the micro SD card, now everything is centralized right over here, and we can control it via the NVR connected to a monitor or a TV, or we can control everything on the app, but everything will be recorded centralized. I don't need to worry if anyone steals my camera and takes my micro SD as well, which is great. This system has some really awesome features, and it's going to finally replace my main surveillance home system, having the best of both worlds. On one hand, we will have the freedom like we had before with the app to control every single camera that we have from Reolink, but on the other hand, instead of recording everything here, we will have a centralized solution, but with the freedom to connect the cameras on our Wi-Fi network, which opens a lot of possibilities. And if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or 11 computer and you still haven't activated and can't even edit your desktop icons, don't forget to check out cdksales.com, where we can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get even cheaper. And of course, I will be sharing all the details regarding the Reolink Hub Pro, but not only that, I will be sharing as well the cameras that I will be installing on our system, and I will be sharing the way that I will be using in a real life scenario. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing it. And while you are there, don't forget that usual thumbs up, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.